Hi, everybody. Welcome to Business 220, which begins our journey into the principles of management. We begin on Monday, March 4th. Bright and early, get into your course. This course has lots of components to it. Learn It's, assignments every week, Yellow Dig, a book, and our live sessions. Our first live session will take place during week 1 on Wednesday at either 6 a.m. Pacific time or 5 p.m. Pacific time on Wednesday. Adjust for your own time zone. During week 1, you have a big writing assignment due at the end of the week. Don't wait until Friday or Saturday to start it. Start it early in the week. Writing is a process, and it takes some time and editing to get it to the way you want it and to meet all the requirements in the assignment. Read up on the requirements before turning your paper in and make sure everything is accounted for. Remember to sign into Yellow Dig. Start your Learn It's early. You'll have them every week. Make sure you can access your book. And I am looking forward to continuing your business journey with you. I'm Helen Panza, and I will see you on Wednesday, and I'll be watching for you during the week.